everyone, welcome back to my channel. I hope you guys are having an amazing and blessed day. I just want to mention really fast that I'm so sorry I haven't posted a video this week. I've been really busy. For those of you that don't know, I'm a licensed cosmetologist. I've been doing this for 5 years, and I recently went back to work after being a stay-at-home mom. I only been at this new salon for 2 months, and I already got a promotion. I'm super happy and excited. Now I'm a store manager, ready to learn a lot of things. But for this video, I decided to create this look for you guys for Valentine's Day. I hope you guys loved and like the makeup look that I created for you guys. And now just keep on watching. Okay, I'm gonna start with this glassy cream for my face. Before applying any products on your face, make sure your hands are clean. Then I'm gonna move in with my eyebrows. This is by the Salon Professional product. This is super nice and easy to apply, and it will last on your eyebrows all day long. Now moving on, I'm gonna clean my eyebrows with this concealer. This is not my favorite concealer that I own, but I'm trying to finish it all up so it can finally give me my favorite concealer. And just taking my sponge, I'm gonna be blending all the concealer through my lids, sorry. After blending all the concealer, I'm going to apply more concealer. This is the e.l.f. Camo Concealer. This has a bigger coverage and it's also a white base. I'm going to use this white base before adding my eyeshadow. I'm going to use this beautiful palette that I got on my Boxy Charm last month. I decided this is the perfect shades. This is the perfect palette for Valentine's look. And I'm just going to start with this pink shade, putting it all over my crease. I'm going to be building up the color little by little. You just want to keep patting and then blending at the end to get better pigmentation. Now taking a darker pink shade, this one right here on the corner, I'm going to do the same thing, just set it on the crease, just to darken up the crease color. Especially for this look, I want to make something that's going to pop out, something that my husband will be staring at, so I want to get the best pigmentation as possible. Now adding more darkness on my corner, I'm taking this shade, it's like a marooned pinkish shade. I'm just going to add it on the corner of my eye, just to darken up a little bit more. And also I decided to cut the crease, but I'm just going to be cutting the center of the lid. I decided to do a halo look instead, so I'm just taking my concealer with this tiny brush. Make sure you take your time and be patient. Patient is key for this look. So yeah, just keep going and blending it with the brush before applying this eyeshadow. The eyeshadow that I decided to use is this pink shade. Just packed and be patient with it, and then just blending the corners just to prevent those harsh lines. I'm blending everything together. Now moving on for foundation, I'm going to use the Huda Beauty foundation and taking it with my sponge. I'm just going to be blending it all over my face. Make sure you remember to blend all the way down your neck, just because you want to prevent the mask looking foundation. Okay, my loves, I'm just taking the concealer. I'm gonna add a little bit to cover my dark circles and blending it with my beauty sponge one more time. Now to set my whole face, I'm gonna be using this Sephora powder, and just make sure you lock all your foundation or your liquids onto place. Now taking a bigger brush, gonna make sure I set all over my face. Don't forget to get your neck as well. It's my favorite time, and that is to bronze my face using my e.l.f. bronzer. I'm just going to be taking a angle brush and blending it very carefully, just to make my face look a little smaller. Now I decided to switch to a smaller brush, and I'm going to be using this brush to contour my nose. This is going to make my nose look super small and tiny. I love doing this step. Now I never I can never go without doing this step. It's a must in my makeup routine now. Now taking my blush. You already know which blush. I'm obsessed with this color. I love the peachy tone, pinky tone, especially for this look. I want to look really peachy or really pink. I'm adding highlighter now with my favorite brush. This is by BH Cosmetics. Going back to the palette, I'm taking the same pink shade that we started with, and I'm just going to place it on the lower lash. Taking this gold shade, I decided to add on the tear dots, and this make the look complete. Now adding a little bit of mascara on my lower lashes, and this is it. For lashes, these are the lashes that I decided to use. I believe you can find them in the mall, and I only paid $1 for them. They're super beautiful. Now for lips, I decided to go with the pink shade, and this was not the best option for this look. You're gonna notice it's too much pink at the beginning, so I hated the color. Of course you can use whatever you feel comfortable with, but I decided at the end to use a gloss, so you're gonna notice at the end I'm changing my lipstick color. Okay, my loves, we hit the end of the tutorial. Hope you guys enjoyed. Like you guys can notice, I did change my lipstick color from this. I decided just to add a little bit of lip gloss, and this is the one I'm using on my lips. I think it looks way better. Let me know down below what you think. Anyways, I hope you guys have a beautiful Valentine's Day, and I hope you guys love this makeup look as much as I do. Have a wonderful Valentine's Day, and I'll see you in my next tutorial.